Hi, Dave Sheehan here, founder of Formula for Success, and I'm here with my Success in 2014 Quick Tip Series number 22, and this one's all going to be about gratitude and the importance of you expressing your gratitude and identifying what you have to be grateful for, because in this fast-paced world, all too often, we're always focused on what we don't have. We're always focused on we don't have this and we don't have that, and we feel down about it. We feel we're not achieving things. We feel we don't have as much to live for as we should. When there's so much in our lives that we have to be grateful for. And what I get clients to do is, first I always get them to have a journal to record various things each day, because journaling is such a powerful tool. But I get them to always record 3 things that they're grateful for that day. It could be just the fact it was a beautiful sunny day. It could be for the contact that someone gave them that's led to more business. It could be for someone who gave them great encouragement when they're feeling really down and just was having a bad time, but that person took time out of their day to listen and to just say a few good words, a few good encouraging words. Maybe that's it. It could be something as simple as, I'm grateful for the fact that I can walk. I have food on the table. I have a roof over my house. You might pass someone that's homeless during the day. Just look at them and just think how grateful you should be for what you've got. Maybe you've got wonderful parents. Maybe you've got a beautiful, loving son. The fact you have a son in your life. What is it you've got to be grateful for? This is a really powerful strategy for your mindset, because again, we need to create a success mindset, and a mindset where you believe anything is possible and everything's a matter of when it's going to happen, not if it's going to happen. And gratitude is a huge, huge part of that. So from now on in your journal, make sure you record every evening 3 things you are grateful for on that particular day. It will make a huge difference to your outlook and the way you think every single day. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you go below and you like and you comment, place any questions. It's important we get this series, each of these videos out to as many people as you can, and you can help me to do it. So please do that. Comment, like, share, subscribe. This is Dave Sheehan. Look forward to speaking to you in Quick Tip number 23.